Most people throw food away far too soon. But what if I told you some foods can last decades, even centuries? Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Today we are breaking down 12 foods that technically never expire, and the science behind why they resist spoilage. Let's start with honey. Honey is one of the only foods archaeologists have found in ancient tombs that was still edible. Why? It's extremely low in moisture and naturally acidic. Bacteria cannot grow in that environment. Honey may crystallize over time, but that's not spoilage, it's chemistry. Warm it gently and it returns to liquid. Next, pasta. Dry pasta is made with very low moisture content. Without water, microorganisms cannot multiply. Stored in an airtight container away from humidity, it can last for years beyond its printed date. Rice is similar, especially white rice. White rice has had its outer bran removed, eliminating the oils that cause rancidity. When kept dry and sealed from oxygen, it can last decades. Brown rice, however, does not last as long because of its natural oils. Spelt and barley follow the same principle. Whole grains stored in oxygen-free containers remain stable for many years because microbes require moisture and oxygen to survive. Dark chocolate surprises people. Because of its low moisture and high antioxidant content, dark chocolate resists microbial growth. You may see a white coating called bloom, that fat or sugar rising to the surface, not mold. It affects texture, not safety. Salt never spoils. Salt is a mineral. Doesn't go bad because bacteria cannot grow in it. In fact, salt preserves other foods by pulling moisture out of them. Dried legumes like beans and lentils last for decades when kept dry. Over time, they may take longer to cook, but they remain safe because their moisture level is too low to support bacterial growth. Coffee beans don't expire, but they do lose flavor. The oils oxidize over time, reducing freshness. Stored airtight and away from light, whole beans maintain quality much longer than ground coffee. Now there's wine vinegar, which is highly acidic. That acidity prevents harmful microbes from surviving. It may form harmless sediment, but properly stored vinegar remains safe indefinitely. Soy sauce lasts because of fermentation and high salt content. The fermentation process creates compounds that prevent harmful bacteria from growing. Liquors with high alcohol content are self-preserving. Alcohol acts as a disinfectant, preventing microbial growth. While flavor may change slightly over time, they do not spoil. And finally, sugar. Like salt, sugar is a natural preservative. It binds to water, making it unavailable for bacteria. Sugar may harden, but it does not spoil. Here's the key truth. Food doesn't last forever by magic. It lasts because microbes need moisture, oxygen, and the right temperature to grow. To remove those conditions and you dramatically extend shelf life. Proper storage matters. Keep foods dry. Use airtight containers, limit light and heat exposure. Consider oxygen absorbers for long-term storage. Understanding this helps you waste less, save money, and simplify your pantry, especially as we age and become more intentional about what we keep in our homes. Knowledge is power. And the more you understand what truly lasts, the less fear-based buying you need to do. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.